this YouTube channel of Nola Girl Sage. So my brother has been doing all of these Fortnite videos and stuff, so I decided, well, I think it's my turn to do a video. So I'm going to be doing a baking tutorial video, and I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies, and I will show like a screenshot of it so that you guys can see it, and it will be right here. Alright, so hopefully you took a screenshot of that, and I'll just be reading out the recipe to you guys so that you guys know what you are doing. So, it says preheat the oven to 3. And the first ingredient is going to be 1 1/4 cup of flour. But I have decided to make a double batch because you get double the amount of cookies, obviously. So, instead of 1 1/4, I'll be doing 2 2/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So that is it for the flour. And so you can put the flour up. Alright, so next you are going to need a full teaspoon. It would be a half teaspoon, but now it's going to be a full teaspoon of baking soda. And 2/4. So next thing that you need to do is you need to just kind of mix it up a little bit. So I have this, and I'll just mix it up a little bit. You can just put it right back because you're gonna combine them eventually. So here's your dry ingredients. Put this aside, and your bigger bowl. You are going to need 2 sticks of butter that is at room temperature. I will pour it in my big bowl. Next, sugar. So I'm going to need a cup of sugar, of brown sugar specifically. That is 1 cup, and you pour it in. Next, the 2 eggs. That's 2 eggs, and then I'll blend it again. Now, we will bring back the dry ingredients, and you can either do 1 or 2 things. You can just dump the entire thing in, or you could do something like this. Just like slowly pour it in a few things at a time. As you can see, I've emptied out this entire bowl of dry ingredients. Ingredient of chocolate chips. A spoon, and then you mix it up. And you have the batter. Looks good to me. So you get another spoon. Or you can wash your hands. Okay. So you don't want to make them too big because then they'll spread out a lot. And you want to make sure to spread them out about 2 inches apart. Okay, so I have made, put these into into little balls of dough, and then I'll put them into the oven for 10 minutes. Has started, and I will go ahead and put the rest of my cookies onto here. I still have a bunch of batter left, so once these come out of the oven, I will like put them onto a plate and then put some more of the batter into the oven, and hopefully you guys were able to make this, and hopefully they turned out good. I'll see you guys later.